Hello, in this video we're gonna check if there's a dual SIM slot on Huawei MatePad SE. And to do this, first we'll need to locate the slot, and on this device it's right here where the charging port is, on the same side. Now take a needle and stick it in a gap right here. This should release the slot, and inside there's one SIM slot right here and another one nope, actually there's only the SD card slot and there's no SIM slot at all. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.